Hello and welcome. This is the third video in the informational video series for users of the Highway Safety Improvement Program online reporting tool, or HSIP ORT. This video walks users through the report review process from the perspective of an FHWA Division Office Reviewer, but the information will also be helpful to state reporters and super reporters since they also play a part in the review process. The main navigational functions and question structures are the same for reviewers as for reporters. These are discussed in the previous videos, navigating the HSIP ORT and responding to questions in the HSIP ORT. As a reviewer, your role in the HSIP ORT consists of reviewing the state-submitted HSIP and RHCP reports for accuracy and completion, communicating with state reporters to make any necessary changes, and submitting final reports to FHWA's Office of Safety. In this video, we will explain how to use the accept and return functions to review each question response, how to use the comment function, and how to submit a final report. When your state super reporter submits a completed HSIP or RHCP report, you will receive an automatically generated email notification that the report is ready for your review. When you log into the HSIP ORT, available reports will show a status of in FHWA review and a completion percentage between 0 and 100. When the completion percentage reaches 100, you will be able to submit the report to FHWA Office of Safety. Let's take a look at the RHCP report, which is already partially reviewed in this example. Notice the different question statuses in the column on the right. There are 4 possible question statuses for reviewers. In progress means that you have not yet reviewed the response. Returned means that you have returned the response to the reporters for revision. Confirmed means that the reporters have revised the response. And completed means that you have accepted the response, either initially or after revision. In order to finalize and submit a report, all questions must show completed status. As a reviewer, you have 2 options for each question: either accept the response as is, or return the question to the state for revision. Let's take a look at the process of accepting and returning a question using question 3 of the RHCP report as an example. To accept a response, first check the Accept box located on the bar above the question name. If you wish, you can type a comment in the comment box. Comments are optional for accepted responses. Then, save your selection using the Save button. Although clicking the Previous or Next Question button saves responses for reporters, the only way for reviewers to save a question is using the Save button. When you accept and save a response, that question's status will change to completed and the completion percentage will advance for the report. To return a response, first check the Return box. Then, type a return comment in the comment box. Comments are required for returned responses. Finally, save your selection using the Save button. When you save a returned response, an email will be sent to the state reporters and super reporters. They will then be able to edit the returned questions in the report. Once the state revises the response and saves it, you will see that the question status changes to Confirmed. You may then view the revisions and repeat the steps to accept or return the question response. The comment function in the HSIP ORT serves as a communication tool for reporters, super reporters, and reviewers. Every question of the HSIP and RHCP reports has an option to comment at the bottom of the screen. After a user saves a comment, it appears in the comment log. This log serves as a record of all comments made about the question, including who made the comment, their user type, and what date and time they made the comment. You can edit or delete comments that you have made using the Edit and Delete buttons. As we just saw, reviewers are required to make a comment using the comment box when they return a response, or they can make an optional comment in the same way when they accept a response. These comments appear in the comment log. As a reviewer, if you want to make any additional comments after your initial comment, you can create another comment in the same way by typing your comment into the comment box and pressing Save. Alternately, you can select Add New Item and type your comment into the box that appears. If you are a reporter or super reporter, you can only make comments using the Add New Item button. Reporters and super reporters can make comments when they initially respond to the question or when they are revising a returned question. No matter which method you use, the comment will appear the same way in the comment log. If you have a comment that is not about a specific question, but about the report in general, the best place to make an overall comment is the Executive Summary section. This is question number 2 for both the HSIP and RHCP reports. Remember to check the comment log for comments when you receive a report or revised report. You can check the comment log by scrolling to the bottom of the page on any question. When all responses in a report are at completed status, the completion percentage will show 100% and the report status will be FHWA Review Complete. At this point, the Submit to HSA button appears on the home page. Click this button to submit the report to FHWA Office of Safety, and the report status will change to Final. Congratulations, you are now ready to review and finalize the HSIP and RHCP reports in the HSIP ORT. If you have additional questions on the HSIP ORT, please view the user manual and other instructional videos or email hsip.ort@dot.gov.